Good afternoon. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're starting this vlog here, and my eyes, I don't know, something happened to my eyes last night, but that's why I'm wearing these glasses. We are going to the market. I'll be taking you guys along with me. This is a raw, unedited market vlog. I'll be going to Otako market to see what they have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So love. Hello.
Why am I?
Good afternoon. Right now. How much is your fish?
This one.
How much last?
How much are you?
This one, 3.
35. That 5.
You give me this one, 2,000. Emehe? Beans. Like one more do. Beans, one more do. Now only 150 to go show me now.
Give me 55.
Crayfish. Good. Let's go let palm oil.
Which one? That is the one. See them.
No, it's best. How much is this thing?
Auntie there. Auntie. Thank you. Thank you.
You say it's not 3,500. Yeah. Let me see. I don't want to cut it at bread. That one is too tiny now. I don't want to do one where they fast, no go cook on time.
It's not hard.
What are you buying later?
No.
Hello.
This rubber is how much? Let me see 500 here on. So we'll not know if we add or not. This one.
Give me 45.
Yeah, this one cost same price. It's not right now. I go give you 4.5 when it's already right.
How much are you?
2.5.
How much last?
It's not right. It's not right now. This one, you know, will stay how many days you go. So I start this spoil. So I will give you 4.5.
It's 15 million naira.
A kilo of this is how much?
3,000 how much?
Which kind 3,000?
How much am I making?
I don't get 3,000.
How many am I making? Nkara, Happy New Year.
Send to you.
You travel?
Hello, I know. I dey go. Good morning, ma. I dey go market for my side.
Okay.
I need the flour and sugar. It's fine. Emodu is how much? Why is not 1,000?
You don't buy Lelo?
I don't buy, thank you. $1,000. Yes. Give me just 1.5.
1.5. I will give you over.
Give me tatashi, give me pepe. I know one.
What should you get? This guy will come, inshallah.
I used to come here now. Let you don't know my face.
Oh, yeah. What should we want?
700 for one plate.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Give me one plate. Then the shombo is how much?
Jumbo?
Uh,
I want you to do one.
no.
Go on.
One. Make the two of them 1,000. Guys, I'm done buying and I want to go home. I'm waiting for my Uber. So guys, these are all the stuff I got. I'll be unboxing it to you guys. What's that? It's pepper. Yes. Pepper. Give mommy. Thank you. Leave, leave it alone. Hi guys. I woke up. I don't know if I said it earlier on. I woke up and this eye was scratching me. I went to the pharmacy and they're telling me that I have Apollo. I don't know. It's just scratching me. This eye is just scratching me, and I'm tearing out in one place. So I had to wear glasses to go out. So let me just show you guys what I got. Okay. Mia, I didn't buy toothpick for you to scatter for me. So I got toothpick. This is banana. This is pepper. This is ginger. Yeah. Give me the cover of the toothpick. Anytime I have guests, you ask me, do you have toothpick? No, I don't have toothpick. I have the blade. I got watermelon. This is 1.5. Plantain. Plantain is 2.5. This is onions. Onions is 1.5. Yeah. No seed. Here of 1,000. Yes. 30. This is 1, 2 is apple and then sweet pear. Look at this one. It's carrots. Carrots 500. Orange 500. Yeah, see.
Oh yes. If you want ginger yourself, you can ginger yourself.
What's that? Yes, it's pineapple. This pineapple is 1, 2. This is green pepper and red pepper and yellow pepper. I think I got this for 2,000 there. This is patashi and shombo, which is 1,000 there. This is tomato of 2.8. Tomato of 2.8. Oh, I only bought. And this is yam. This yam is 2,000 there.
Mama.
Mama, this sit. There's no space for you to sit with it. It's potato or 2.5. Yes. I got this. No, I think so. I think I saw this in a gum series. And I went to cooking food. Yes, I think it's this one. Hopefully it's this one. Okay, so hey, I'm coming. I got this milk for baking cookie. I want to bake shortbread. I think I saw it in cook with something. I'll show you right now. So I want to do that shortbread. Sorry. Then I got this is sugar. This is half mudu of sugar. A mudu of sugar is 2-1. Yeah, this is half mudu of sugar. And this is flour. I got flour 1.5 mudu. A mudu of flour is 1. I got 1.5 mudu. Yes. Don't worry, I'll slice it for you later, baby. How will I do this unboxing with you? Wait. So here we have I've got palm oil, crayfish 500, palm oil 1000. This baby is 200 naira. This one, then this is 500. This is 1.4 for 1 mudu. Red garri is 700. Let's go and Mama make you send me red garri. Then this fish is 3. Yes, they're telling me 3,000. So, but I later bought it for 2,000. It's 3 in 1 fish. I got meat, 1 kilo of meat for 3,000. Yeah, it's meat. I got garlic 500 like this. Then momo 500. Then here I have water leaf and ugu. Water leaf, I got water leaf for 700 naira. Ugu 500. Then I got yellow pepper. So that's it, guys. These are all the stuff I got. Yeah. This is all the stuff I got. All the stuff I got.
Mama.
Yeah. Guys, those are all the stuff I got, and I spent, I think, plus minus 43,000 plus both with my transportation, so 43,000. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This video and the haul. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, please like and share and comment. So I'm going to unbox, rearrange, and the rest. This will come out in another vlog, like trying to create different content, not only cleaning cleaning videos. Yeah, love. So yeah, keep the pepper. So love, I'll see you in my next video. I'll be a weekend vlog because today is Saturday. Yeah, so let me start up a new vlog here. Right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.